Husband and wife. Conversation.
You are home early today.
Yes. I came early.
Is everything okay?
Sit with me, please.
You look tired.
I am very tired.
Did something happen at work?
Yes. Something bad happened.
Tell me slowly.
I lost my job today.
What?
Yes. I lost my job.
How?
The company closed my department.
When did this happen?
Today morning.
Did they tell you before?
No. It was sudden.
I am sorry.
I feel empty.
Please don't blame yourself.
I feel like a failure.
You are not a failure.
I could not keep my job.
Jobs come and go.
But responsibilities stay.
I know.
I feel scared.
Scared of what?
Of money. Of future.
We will manage.
How?
Together.
I have no income now.
We have some savings.
It will not last long.
We will plan carefully.
I feel ashamed.
Please don't feel that way.
I promise to give you a good life.
You already do.
Without money,
Money is not everything.
but it is important.
Yes, it is.
I failed as a husband.
No, you did not.
I cannot pay bills now.
We will cut expenses.
We will suffer.
We will adjust.
I hate this feeling.
It is okay to feel sad.
I feel angry too.
That is natural.
I worked so hard.
I saw your hard work.
Still they removed me.
It is not personal.
It feels personal.
I understand.
I could not sleep last night.
You didn't tell me.
I did not want to worry you.
We are a team.
I forgot that today.
I am here.
Thank you.
Did you get any notice? Pay?
Yes. 1 month's salary.
That helps.
A little.
We will use it wisely.
I will start searching for jobs.
Yes. From tomorrow.
I feel tired today.
Take rest today.
Are you sure?
Yes, you need rest.
I feel useless sitting at home.
You are not useless.
I should be working.
You will work again.
What if I don't find a job?
You will.
The market is bad.
Still, don't lose hope.
Hope is hard today.
Take it one day at a time.
I worry about our children.
They will be fine.
School fees are high.
We can talk to the school.
I did not think of that.
There are always options.
You are strong.
I learned from you.
I don't feel strong now.
Strength is not loud.
What do you mean?
Strength is patience.
I need patience.
Yes, we both do.
Will you support me?
Always,
Even if it takes time.
even then.
Thank you.
Did you talk to your manager?
Yes. He was helpless.
That is sad.
Many people lost jobs.
You are not alone.
That gives little comfort.
Tomorrow we will make a plan.
A plan sounds good.
Update your resume.
Yes.
Contact your friends.
I feel shy to tell them.
There is no shame.
I will try.
I can help you.
Really?
Yes, we will do it together.
You are my strength.
And you are mine.
I feel a little better now.
I am glad.
I was afraid you would be angry.
Why would I be angry?
Because money is tight.
Life is not only money.
You surprise me.
Marriage means standing together.
Even in bad times?
Especially in bad times.
I love you.
I love you too.
Thank you for understanding.
Thank you for sharing.
I will not give up.
I know.
I will find a new job.
Yes, you will.
Maybe a better one.
Exactly.
Today is hard.
Tomorrow will be better.
Let us have dinner together.
Yes, sit and relax.
I feel lighter now.
That is good.
Thank you for being my wife.
Thank you for being my husband.